I started here as a co-oping parent in the early 80s and loved the philosophy of the school, which again is the hands-on, play-based philosophy, because that's really the best way for children to learn at this age. We really try to meet all the developmental areas in a play-based program.
It's a place where kids can play, which is shown to be the best way for kids to start learning in life.
To learn through play, the children, what we do as teachers is we provide the materials, and with those materials the children then create. And it's that creative problem-solving exploration with each other and with things, with toys or whatever it is that they're art materials, that enables them to really flourish.
We're focusing on the skills that everybody's going to need for their entire life. We're talking about social and emotional skills. We're talking about the ability to negotiate, to collaborate, to compromise.
I really love working with the 3-year-olds. The 3-year-olds come into a classroom where they're still kind of parallel playing. They see a toy and it's more about the toy and less about the social. And in that year of 3s, we go from that parallel to, I want to play with you, but I'm not sure how, to, you are my very best friend.
Well, we are a co-op school, and what that means is that the families are involved in pretty much every aspect of running the school.
I see parents as having an extremely valuable role in a school environment. Not only are they able to see their own child growing and experiencing new things in a new situation, they also get to know their child's peers, and they get to play with the children, and they get to support the children and be part of that educational experience in a cooperative school.
It's a multicultural, diverse, and also it's parent-oriented. Every time there is at least 2 or 3 parents co-oping and helping on the education process for the kid.
You're in the classroom learning with your child, with your children's friends, and you are part of that educational team.
So you get to know the families, you get to work with the families. They're in the classroom with their kids.
I do really encourage parents to play with the kids, not direct the play or not lead the play, but be a part of the play.
I love to be able to play with my daughter and her friends and see those relationships grow and to be a part of those relationships. And the playground, it's a lot of fun on the playground. I usually get roped into being some sort of wild beast that they have to tame. And by roped, I mean, they actually rope me. They usually tie me up with a jump rope.
The teachers are also really great with the parents, both in the separation process and as co-opers. There's a lot of support, and I learned a ton from the teachers through the co-oping. In the 2s class in particular, there's an extra aid at the beginning of the year to really shepherd parents through the process until they learn the routine.
So on Fridays, we offer Friday themed classes, and they're taught by either the teachers or sometimes parents like me jump in and teach a class. This month we are doing messy art. I'm getting ready to go onto the playground and make some mud paint. So we'll see how that goes.
I laugh a lot every day. They bring such joy and humor to my day. So I'm hoping that that's what the parents take home with them.
And the way that these teachers helped me in my parenting, that I can hopefully offer that to other parents, it's why I love to do what I'm doing.
I really believe that each child has their own inner gem and their own inner light, and it is our role as teachers and staff to help that light shine.
They're happy to be there. They come in the door and they're just like, "Hi, Miss Rebecca!" And they're so excited to be there, and it just melts my heart. So those are the moments when I love being a teacher.
What do you love about Silver Spring Nursery School? Those 2 things? Oh.
Or the climbing blocks.
Cool.
That's it. because they have parking spots.
Do you drive your own car?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My favorite thing at school is to ring the bell.
What do you ring the bell for?
I don't know. Fingerprint. Hand painting.
Hand painting?
Yeah.
Cool. Why do you love that?
Because you can paint your hands